everybody. I am painting over the painting from video 593, I believe it is. It's not a bad painting, it just lacks, what I usually say, like a spark. It doesn't have, it just falls, it's just flat to me. Hang on, I gotta get a drink of water. It just doesn't have, it doesn't call to me. So, I'm going to do hammer, smash, artist love neon pink, artist love green yellow, and Prussian blue. You may notice that my metal shelving boards are all nice and clean. I used my razor, and I mean, I'm telling you, the paint was like this thick on there. So first I was carving it because I could make shapes out of them. And then it was like whittling wood. It was very calming, actually. So now they are nice and smooth again. So yeah, so it's kind of like a stress reliever, and it served its purpose. Let's see. So for anyone who cares, 7-ounce hammer. Doesn't really make a whole heck of a lot of difference. I'm hoping I have enough white paint in here to cover this. Oh, I should. I want to mix up more white paint, but I think I'm going to mix it as I go because today is, what day is today? It's 4th of July. So Thursday, and we're leaving town on Sunday. But you don't bother coming to my house to steal stuff because by the time that I air this, I will be back home. I've been doing painting so I can kind of, this paint's going to drip into my glove so that I have them going while I'm gone. So I'm kind of stockpiling them. Okay, this is an icky feeling. I was so excited to watch Orange is the New Black. I was going to start that today, thinking it started June 26th, but it is July 26th, so I was kind of bummed. But then I started the 3rd season of Jessica Jones on Netflix started. I'm not one for like superheroes really, but she's a badass. I like her. Ugh. Man, making a mess. I'm going to torch out these air bubbles. I was looking at pictures of like my really early mallet smashes, and I think I have some at the shop that I was selling things at. I need to go see if they are still there because I kind of want to bring them home. They look a lot different from my current mallet smashes. Gosh, I don't even have to show you here. I'm like trying to think. I think if you go back far on my Instagram, you might find some. But they were more kind of, I didn't do a lot of tilting to them. So, so I ended up with a lot of kind of like airy flower butterfly feel. And that was when I was also really into my flingies, which is where I would take like the little tip of the glove, you know, and like fling, fling, fling. This was before I knew of videos. And I also smashed a lot harder then because I was doing it underneath my table. So I didn't care if the paint got everywhere. But now I'm like above ground. It was pretty suffocating under there. I had like a plastic tablecloth over my head. Ooh, definitely that one for the win. Let's try some flingies. I still got it. There's some cool, once again, that Prussian blue. It starts outlining the cells, and the darkness of it is pretty cool. So this totally looks like my original ones. My inclination is to want to start tilting this bad boy all over the place. But my goal was to make it kind of like my original ones, which would be don't tilt it all over the place. Voila! There's not, I only see one divot right here, but sometimes it's less so with this hammer because it's so little, but the mallet obviously bigger, so when you hit, you know, you'll have a big round divot. It has always filled in as it dries, so I haven't had a problem with that. Oh my gosh, super short video. Oh, I want to show you, these are still drying, and I showed you those too, because this was just last night. But here is the other one from last night, and it is super cool. That Prussian blue really outlines. Prussian blue and dioxazine purple, both of those are perfect for liners. I don't know what you want to call it. So pretty. So pretty. So there is back to an old school Ann Osborne hammer smash, because I did start with a hammer before I switched to a mallet. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate your viewership. I'd love it if you shared my videos, and I will catch you next time. Bye.